In this video, we listed the 15 best electric scooter for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Electric Scooter for Adult. The electric scooter for adult is built for riders who demand power, durability, and all-terrain versatility in their daily commute or recreational rides. Equipped with a robust 1200W motor, this folding e-scooter delivers impressive acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making it ideal for advanced users who need fast and efficient transportation. Its high-capacity battery supports up to 30 miles of range, allowing longer rides without frequent recharging. Designed for comfort and control, the scooter features 11-inch off-road tires that provide excellent traction on pavement, gravel, and uneven terrain. The addition of dual suspension enhances ride stability, absorbs bumps, and ensures a smoother experience even at higher speeds. With its foldable frame, strong construction, and performance-focused components, this adult electric scooter is perfect for commuting, outdoor adventures, and riders seeking a powerful, portable mobility solution. Product 2. Product name: 11-inch off-road electric scooter. Performance and power. Motor and speed. This scooter packs two powerful 3000W motors, totaling 6000W, which allow it to reach a top speed of around 85 km per hour. Battery. It uses a 72V lithium battery, commonly available in 20 to 30Ah capacity on models of this type. Range. Depending on usage, the scooter can cover 80 to 100 kilometers on a single charge with the high-capacity battery. Build and ride quality. Tires. Equipped with 11-inch off-road tubeless tires, typically 11 by 4.0 in, which provide good grip on rugged terrain like dirt, gravel, or uneven trails. Suspension. It features hydraulic shock absorbers, often inverted at the front, and dual shocks in the rear, giving a smoother ride over bumps. Product 3. Product name: Ienorid IE S1 electric scooter. Key specs and performance. Powertrain and speed. It's commonly listed with an 800W motor in some retailer spec sheets. It can reach a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour per some sources. The scooter uses a 48V, 15Ah lithium-ion battery, about 720 Wh. Claimed range varies depending on conditions, 19 to 25 miles, 30 to 40 kilometers, according to many sellers. In more ideal conditions, e.g., moderate rider weight, flat terrain, Ienorid states up to 50 kilometers for a test rider. Charging time is 6 to 8 hours. Tires and suspension. It has 10-inch pneumatic, air-filled, off-road tires, giving it good grip and some cushion on rough surfaces. Ienorid EU uses a quad-arm suspension system, both front and rear, which helps absorb bumps and gives a more comfortable ride on uneven terrain. Product 4. Product name: Arwaban 5600W adult electric scooter. Power and performance. This is a high-power dual-motor scooter, with a combined output of 5600W, two 2800W motors. It claims a top speed around 46 miles per hour. Because of the dual-motor setup, it'll have strong acceleration and good climbing ability, making it suitable for steeper hills and more demanding riding. Battery and range. The scooter uses a 60V 27Ah lithium battery. According to some sources, it can achieve a range of up to 30 miles, about 48 kilometers, per charge under normal riding conditions. Charging time is moderate, 6-8 hours depending on the charger. Build, structure and load capacity. The frame is made of a mix of aluminum plus iron, giving it strength while trying to keep weight manageable. It supports a max load of around 440 pounds, 200 kilograms, according to some listings, which is very generous. Product 5. Product name: Kuroma Peak 500W electric scooter. 1. Motor and performance. The Peak 500W version uses a brushless hub motor rated at 350W nominal and 500W peak. It's designed to hit a top speed of about 20 miles per hour. The motor is capable of handling moderate inclines, e.g., 10 degrees slopes, according to Kuromer's own specs. 2. Battery and range. Uses a 36V battery, with a capacity of around 188 Wh, 5,200 mAh, per manufacturer specs. The claimed range is about 12 to 15 miles on a single charge for this 500W version. Charging time is approximately 4 hours. 3. Build and comfort. Tires. It has 14-inch pneumatic tires, which help absorb shocks and provide a smoother ride. Seat. Equipped with a soft, shock-absorbing seat. According to the spec sheet, the seat is removable and height-adjustable, allowing riders to tune it to their comfort. Frame and deck. The frame is foldable for portability, and it has a wide 9.5-inch deck, giving good standing room. Product 6. Product name Boyuader S5 Electric Scooter. Performance and power. The Boyuader S5-11 packs 6,000 W of motor power, using two 3,000 W hub motors. It can reach a top speed of around 85 km per hour, almost equal to 53 miles per hour, according to the manufacturer. Climbing capability is strong. It reportedly handles inclines up to 45 degrees. Battery and range. It uses a 60V, 38R, almost equal to 2280 Wh, lithium-ion battery pack. The quoted range is 100 to 120 km on a full charge, though this depends heavily on terrain, rider weight, and riding mode. It supports dual charging ports, which can help reduce total charging time. Build and ride quality. Equipped with 11-inch off-road pneumatic tires, giving it good grip and stability on mixed terrain. Suspension. Hydraulic shock absorbers in both front and rear, which help smooth the ride over bumps. Product 7. Product name Electric Scooter for Adults. The electric scooter for adults adds a practical and powerful commuting option to the lineup, designed for riders who need reliability, comfort, and security in daily travel. Built with a robust 330 pounds max load capacity, this foldable e-scooter is engineered for stability and long-term durability, making it suitable for a wide range of adult riders. Its dual brake system enhances stopping precision, while the dual suspension setup smooths out bumps and uneven surfaces, ideal for city streets, campus pathways, and urban shortcuts. The inclusion of a remote key adds an extra layer of convenience and theft deterrence, giving users peace of mind when parking in public spaces. Portable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed, this commuting e-scooter blends performance with everyday practicality, offering a dependable solution for eco-friendly transportation and short to medium distance travel. Product 8. Product name Electric Scooters with Seat. The electric scooters with seat 5600W brings high-performance engineering to personal mobility, offering a powerful blend of speed, comfort, and rugged durability. Designed for adults who demand more from their commuting or recreational rides, this sports scooter features dual 5600W motors that deliver exceptional torque and exhilarating acceleration, reaching speeds up to 46 miles per hour on open terrain. The inclusion of a comfortable seat makes longer rides easier on the body, while the 11-inch off-road tires provide excellent shock absorption and grip on uneven surfaces, dirt paths, and city streets alike. To ensure confident stopping power, the scooter is equipped with a hydraulic brake system, offering reliable and responsive braking even at high speeds. Built for both performance and practicality, it supports heavy-duty usage with enhanced stability, making it a solid choice for adventure riders, urban commuters, or anyone seeking a fast and versatile electric scooter. Overall, it combines high power, comfort, and rugged capability into a premium scooter platform ideal for demanding users. Product 9. Product name 10/11-inch Electric Scooter. This is a high-performance, adult foldable electric kick scooter family built for fast commuting and serious off-road fun. With 10-inch or 11 wheels, high-voltage battery options, 48V, 72V, and motors ranging from 1,000W up to 6,000W, these scooters are designed to deliver strong acceleration, high top speeds, advertised ~50, 85 km/h, and capability on rougher terrain while still folding down for transport and storage. Key features: wheel options, 10-inch or 11 pneumatic, knobby tires for better grip and small bumps handling, balances nimbleness and off-road traction. Voltage and power, battery packs from 48V to 72V paired with motors from 1,000W up to 6,000W, configurable for economy or performance. Speed and range, top speeds commonly in the 50 to 85 km/h band, model dependent. Range varies with battery size, rider weight, speed and terrain, typical estimates, 40-120 plus km on single large pack under mixed conditions, higher power setups reduce range. Build and folding, sturdy alloy frame, folding stem, mechanism for portability. Many models include quick-release folding latches and compact footprint for car trunks. Product 10. Product name: high-speed off-road electric scooter. 1. Power and performance. Dual motor, 3200W. This is a very powerful setup, typically meaning two 1600W motors, or similar, working in tandem. With such a configuration, the scooter can deliver strong acceleration, good torque, and the ability to handle steep inclines or rough terrain. For example, some models with this power rating can hit top speeds in the range of ~75 km/h. Acceleration and climbing, the dual motor system gives good hill climbing ability, making the scooter well suited for off-road trails or rugged surfaces. 2. Battery and range, endurance mileage. Many off-road scooters with 3200W motors come equipped with high-capacity lithium batteries, often in the 60V range. For instance, one model uses a 60 version 20.8Ah battery, almost equals 1248 Wh. With a large battery, these scooters can achieve impressive range, potentially up to 80 to 130 km on a single charge, depending on the battery size, terrain, riding style. Charging time may vary. In some high-capacity setups, full charging can take several hours, e.g., 7 to 10h depending on charger and battery. 3. Ride comfort and handling. Tires. Silent tire likely refers to inflatable, pneumatic tires, which help absorb shock and provide better grip on rough terrain. Many off-road scooters use 11-inch pneumatic, off-road tires. Product 11. Product name: Ioiotwo GT06 Electric Scooter. The Ioiotwo GT06 Electric Scooter is a high-performance adult e-scooter designed for both city commuting and recreational rides. Equipped with a 1200W motor and a 48V 1323Ah lithium battery, it can reach speeds up to 28 mph, delivering a smooth and powerful ride. The scooter features dual suspensions to ensure maximum comfort over uneven terrain, while its long-lasting battery supports extended travel distances on a single charge. Built with durability and user safety in mind, the GT06 comes with robust construction and reliable braking systems. Additionally, it includes a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind for long-term ownership, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a blend of speed, comfort, and reliability in an electric scooter. Product 12. Product name: HXX6. The HXX6, 7.5R, is a compact, foldable electric scooter designed for adults who want a portable and relatively powerful ride for city commuting or short-distance trips. Key features and specifications. Motor and power. It uses a 350W, 36V, motor, with a peak power sometimes claimed as 500W. This power is sufficient for average urban use, giving it a top speed of 25 km/h. Battery and range. The scooter comes with a 36V, 7.5Ah lithium-ion battery. According to some specs, this gives a maximum range around 27.5 km. The charging time is relatively long, 6 to 8 hours per charge. Portability and design. The scooter is foldable, which makes it very practical for last-mile commuting or storing in small spaces. It weighs about 10.5 kilograms, making it fairly light for a ride plus portability balance. The frame is made of aluminum alloy, which helps with durability and weight. Uses 5.5-inch wheels, which are quite small compared to many scooters. This kind of small wheel plus compact design tends to favor smooth, paved surfaces. Rough or uneven terrain may be more challenging. Product 13. Product name AOverPro G63 Electric Scooter. The AOverPro G63 is a high-performance, foldable electric scooter designed for adults who want serious power and off-road capability. Here are its key attributes and what makes it stand out, as well as some considerations. Key features and strengths. Powerful dual motor setup. It uses two 1200W motors, so total 2400W, providing strong acceleration and good climbing ability. According to specifications, it can handle steep inclines. The official spec sheet mentions a climbing angle of up to 30 degrees. Maximum claimed speed is 60 km per hour, about 37 miles per hour, per AOverPro. The user manual also confirms 3 riding modes: Gear 1, tilde 20 km h, Gear 2, tilde 45 km h, Gear 3, tilde 60 km h. Within the app, users can also set a speed limit, between 15 km per hour and 60 km per hour, for safety or regulation compliance. Product 14. Product name Adult Pro Scooter. The Adult Pro Scooter is designed for serious riders who demand performance and durability. Featuring 110mm aluminum wheels and a T-bar handle, this stunt scooter is built for precision, stability, and smooth rides, whether on streets, skate parks, or ramps. Its genuine gold finish adds a sleek, premium look, making it as stylish as it is functional. Engineered for tricks and stunts, it provides the strength and control needed for jumps, spins, and grinds, making it an ideal choice for adults looking to elevate their freestyle scooting experience. Lightweight yet robust, it combines high-grade materials with a professional design to handle intense riding sessions.